Hello and welcome to our channel. We know the health benefits of the drumstick leaves and how they are widely used in making supplements. So here's for you a simple recipe to induce the fresh drumstick leaves, also known as the Moringa leaves, into your diet. This is a recipe of making a dip, or simply known as a chutney, using some fresh drumstick leaves. This is a pack of fresh drumstick leaves which I bought from the store, but if you have access to pluck them from the tree, then that's the best. These leaves are highly nutritious and is a good remedy to control conditions like hypercholesterol, reduce high blood sugar levels, and also is a good antioxidant in nature. And hence adding them to your diet in moderate amounts is a good choice. Now for this recipe of making the dip, we just need less than half cup of the fresh drumstick leaves, and this will make about 2 serving sizes. First, before use, we need to wash and clean them well. Then I'm taking a mixer jar, and into it I'm going to add the base for this chutney or the dip, and that is fresh grated coconut. Add a small portion of ginger, 2 green chilies, and a small portion of onion or few shallots. Also add salt as required. Then I'm going to add the clean drumstick leaves. And then add some water to help in grinding. Then simply grind them to a smooth consistency. Now this is how it looks after grinding. Very often the drumstick leaves are eaten raw, and this recipe also does not call for any cooking and only needs a simple tempering. So for the tempering, heat a small pan and let's add oil. Add some mustard seeds, or you can use the cumin seeds. And a small portion of onion or few shallots. Then I'm adding 2 whole red chilies. And finally some fresh curry leaves if you have them. And here is a simple tempering ready. And now it's time to add it to the dip. And here is the dip. It has a good consistency and is ready to serve. Let's take it to a serving bowl. And then add the tempering on top of it. As simple as it looks, mix well and then use it as a dip, or as you may call it, a chutney. can be best served with any flatbreads or the Indian dosa and the idlis. So this time when you're making a dip or a chutney, try this recipe, and as always, share with us your feedbacks. And do let us know if you like to make any variations to this. Thank you for being with us and hope to see you soon in our next video.